Hello again, theorists. It is Neil here with Option Theory, and it is August 10th, 2020, and it's time for one of our portfolio recaps. I didn't do one last week, but, I'll try to get better. So, let's go on into our portfolio. So, on screen here, you can see, of course, me in the little corner down there, just so you know I'm a real person, right? And on screen, you'll see the orders that we have had filled in the past 14 days. So we have closed a few, we have opened a few right here. So it would be good if I spread that open a little bit there. So you can see the opens and you can see the closes and whatnot, right? And also, don't forget about this. I don't know if you guys took me up on this. It's totally free, and I don't even ask for an email or any of that jazz. You can use this as a trade tracker if you want. So I'll use Trello here, and we can see we've got the current 7 open trades here, and I tag them with the colored labels so I know, and I try to put my undefined risk at the top so I pay attention to those a little more. So these are the ones we've closed for profit since I started using it. There's a nice long list. And then these are the ones I've closed for a loss. And I gotta say, I'm pretty sure we got another one coming for this pile right here, and I'll show you which one that is. So let me drag this guy back off the screen and dock it with my browser. All right. So the one that I think that's going to hurt us here is a trade we've had on for a little while. I wasn't a big fan of it when I put it on, but I do try to trade our cherry bomb trades just to see, can we take these emails and turn them into something profitable? Over time, of course, right? So here we go. Over to this Analyze tab. I'm in the risk profile. I've got my drop down here and I've selected positions so I can review how things are looking in all of the 7 positions that I have on here. So the one that I was really getting at that I feel like if you've put this on with me, then this is the guy here that you're feeling the pain, the most pain on. Which, if you look at this, and I don't know if you've noticed, but back here in the Activity and Positions tab, sometimes at night when the market closes, Tesla makes this big jump back up, and then it goes right back down as soon as the market opens. So it gives you this false sense of, it's not so bad. Then tomorrow morning, you get down like 300 bones. So it's not fun, but makes this number seem livable right now. But that's okay. We took some big hits. I keep it real. Those hits are still there. They're living over here, right? And I normally sort it like this, so you can see the bad at the top, right? And then the rest of the good ones down below. All right. So Tesla is heading towards the extra pain. But we can see it's looking like a 90% probability we're taking a max loss on this one. But it's defined risk, and we're not going to attempt to adjust this one. I don't even know that we could. So with that, let's review some of our other positions here. AMD here is a vertical here. In this case, I believe it is a short. Yeah, it's a short put vertical here. It's testing us a little bit. It has definitely come down. Our probabilities were not 51% when we put this on, but we kind of have to know that that's going to be the case sometimes, right? We're going to get tested. All right. Oftentimes we're looking at a 40%, probability of having it tested. IWM is a trade we put on recently as well, and we are near the call strikes, but we are still in good position. We actually started off slightly skewed this way a little bit. If you remember, we wanted this one to go down to center up a little bit, but that's all right. We have cashed in on IWM. I made the joke during that video that it was like an ATM. Reminiscing about my jokes. All right. Love here is looking real good. It is actually, here you can see our probability is 88% probability that we're going to end up on this side of that gold line. And I put it in day order today. It was almost at 50%, but I set a day order to close it if it got to 50%. It didn't. It actually moved back down a little bit. So yeah, here we go. There's that. Looking good there. Qs are giving us some pain. In this case, we are a short call vertical. We are still looking at, believe it or not, a 50%, that's slightly better probability that we are going to end up profitable, or at least breaking even on that one, right? So why don't we take a look at the chart for the Qs on that for a second. So it does look like we're coming down off of this upper band here. And none of the other, well, this other signal here, it looks like we could be heading down, right? But then again, can you really trust all these signals? Are they foolproof? Heck no, right? But it does look like we have 2 bearish signals here, so hopefully that'll work out for us. Of course, if it works out for us in Qs, it means it's probably also going to hurt us in Tesla. I would like it if Tesla jumped up. But then again, you know, their correlation isn't 1-to-1, so it could be that the Qs go down and Tesla has an amazing moment. We just need another SpaceX victory or something. All right, back over here. SPYs, we are once similar to Qs in that we are, or IWM, and that we are on that call side a little bit. We'd like it to come down a bit, at which point if it did that, we could take it right off and take our 50%. TLT is also close to 50% on this one. Just a little bit more of a down move would help us out. So Tesla, we already looked at, and then Walmart. Walmart came back a little bit for us today. Thank you, Walmart. And so we're looking at 75% on that one. So the normal thing that I would do is take a look at this one here. But so now we are, market is, the futures are about to close. We are seeing gold continue to climb as if it's never going to stop, but see some futures trending down here a little bit in NASDAQ. So there's not much to say about this right here. I'm wondering how you guys are doing on your P&L. If you're trading along with me in doing these cherry bombs like I am in a simulated trading portfolio, what was your P&L this past 7 days, if you know it? If not, why don't you just post your P&L that it currently is right now, and then next week when we do this, you'll be able to come back to this video and compare, right? And so you'll know what your P&L is for the past 7 days. All right, so that is it for our portfolio recap this week. Tomorrow we'll come back in the morning, assuming I don't hit the snooze bar like I did. I don't normally do my videos in the afternoon. They're normally in the morning because then I don't have to have the sound of stomping feet and whatnot. But yeah, so tomorrow, cherry bomb. I'll see you then, everybody. Until then, happy trading.